vans must be like this now.
We still believe, we still believe, we still believe, we still believe. It's coming home, it's coming home, it's coming. Football's coming home, it's coming home.
As you can see, table upgrade. Just a bit of MDF, 50 pence. Can't go wrong with that, can you? Painted it, sanded it down. This one here wasn't bad, but it's heavy. But I use this for the centre part now, and it was hard work getting in and out of this area because obviously it's like a U-shape mine is, and I don't really need a big table. I only need it for like games and, you know, my laptop. That's really it. And this one here, I strengthened it to make it stronger because obviously you sleep on it, but you don't really need to. It's 20mm anyway. Yeah, but it's too heavy. Awkward to get past, and this was just a simple 50p off cut. Sanded it down, painted it. I'm thinking about putting beard tops on it, so I'm going to collect loads of lids, either like Stella, Fosters or whatever, and then I'm going to box it off. Then I'm going to tip acrylic in it. Is it acrylic? Yeah, I'm going to tip acrylic inside it and make it like a glass table with all these bottle tops in it. That is my plan for this table. I was going to buy some bottle lids, but I was thinking to myself, I can collect them myself actually, you know what I mean? Because people are selling them bottle lids like, oh, get £20 for bottle lids. And to be honest, I don't need that many, I don't know, I would say 100. Take a guess, it's not that big, but I think about 100 bottle lids should do it. Or maybe 60, 70. But yeah, that's one of the updates on the van. This bad boy, to be honest, I might not even use it because when I do camp, we can sleep this way as a double anyway. So I might not even use this bit here as a big queen's bed because I don't really technically need it. And if I'm sleeping, at least I can put my drinks and that on here or whatever and have a breakfast. You know, I don't have to keep in and out, you know what I mean? Taking this around with me. And I wouldn't need to take this with me either for the centre cushion. So, that's a bit more space in the van. I've got a 12-volt TV to put in, thanks to my man Ron. Yeah. The solar's doing good. Everything else is doing good on the van, guys. I've got a few more things coming. Just waiting for those. The fridge is working perfect on the 12-volt. Yeah, just getting ready now. We'll be leaving on the 10th of August. So another 4 weeks from now, and we're doing some France vlogs and stuff like that. So hopefully you enjoy. But just want to give you a little update on that. Works perfect, and as you can see, I can get in and out. You know, so before, guys, it was coming up to here, the big one. So you have to go like that, and then you have to spin the table and all that kind of stuff. It wasn't bad if you're sitting at the table, to be honest, but just look at that now. It's perfect size, isn't it? Perfect size. And obviously to register it with DVLA, all you got to have is a table inside the van. And that's it, really. Spin it that way if I wanted to. Yeah, so I'm going to put some bottle lids on it, and hopefully it'll look really, really sexy in the van. I don't know if everyone's seen the way I set up my system. As you can see, I've got a gas line going up there. Drop down, and this needs to look clean now. It's getting a bit of rain marks on it. And guys, the gas line is fine up there. Don't worry about the heat because this don't get really, really hot and it bounces off here. I was going to put a tube on there, but I didn't end up doing that. But it's my toilet. It's going to go now. Look how black the line it gets from on the floor, guys. That's the second line I put on top of that. It's because of the sand and that from the sea. But what else can you do? Obviously the outside and that looks pucker. All my control panel works fine. Floating bed. I had 2 kids up there. I've actually got up there myself to test it before I put the kids up there. But so basically it's my old VW one, and I trimmed it down. I've got some new piles. I've got a video on this if you want to know how I installed it on the van. But it's so strong. I've actually sat up there myself to see if it can hold my weight. So yeah, obviously my window's in now. I might just take this off now. The window's looking good. Still got some black tape around here. This is for sale, guys. I'm going to get rid of the log burner. I don't want a log burner. Now I'm going to trim all this cabinet up, make it look nice. Still got a bit more to do in the van, you know, guys. You know, guys, it's like a living space in it.